help you. You don't need to worry.
Okay. And how did you find out about my problem?
Because whenever you go online, at that time your computer firewall is reporting that something went wrong inside your computer. And as you know, your computer is running slow or taking time to boost up or turn on. As you know that.
Oh, my computer is telling you that is something wrong.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Your computer firewall reporting some error and
Oh
warning,
my
and
God.
which yeah.
Hey,
Just be in front of your computer.
that's really cool. That's really cool. How,
How did it get connected to you?
So are you in front of the computer?
yes, I'm in front. It's still loading. You know, like I said, it's really slow.
Alright. And there is some problem in your computer, and that is why your computer is taking time to turn on or boost up. Alright? So you
Alright.
don't need to worry. Just follow my instructions so that you will be able to see that in front of your eyes and remove those things from your computer and resolve the problem. Okay?
Okay. And one more question. How did my
Yeah.
computer tell you my phone number?
Yeah, no, let me tell you.
Yeah, tell me,
That's
tell
a
me.
good question. Let me tell you. We have taken your and all the computer users number from the U.S. government database because U.S. government has all the information. And we take
Oh my God.
So the government gave you my information. The U.S. government gave you my information.
yeah.
Wow.
Sir, it's a tech department.
Like this,
Technical department.
like did they just give it to you, or did they sell it to you?
No, we do not purchase it. They have given us because we are the technician and we provide technical service and support. And they have told us that provide the service and support to the users. Alright, and that is why they have given us the number. Okay?
Oh, okay. So it just tells you my name. I mean my number, or does it tell you my name too?
Yeah. What do you see on your computer screen?
I see the Windows logo loading. You know, I'm telling you, it's really, really, really slow.
Alright. So how much it takes time to?
I mean, it's loading. I see the Windows logo. You know, but it's spinning. You know, it has a spinning wheel. You see the blue one? You see it, right? Do you see it?
Yeah. Once you're.
Yeah,
once
you're looking at
your
my computer, right? Can you see my computer? Is it connected yet?
No.
It's not connected yet.
Once your computer is on, just let me know. Alright, I'm holding the line.
Okay, it's on. It came on.
Alright. Now, what do you see on your computer screen?
I see my desktop.
Yeah. Now, look on the keyboard on the extreme left-hand side, bottom corner key. That is Control key. Can you see that?
No, my computer doesn't have that key.
What?
You said what? What did you say?
Look on the keyboard on the extreme left-hand side, bottom corner key. That is CTRL key, called Control key. Can you see that?
Control key? I don't have a Mac. It's not a Mac.
No. Which key do you see? Look on the keyboard on the extreme left-hand side, bottom corner key. Which key do you see?
I see a FN key.
Yeah. And next to the FN key, which key do you have?
I see like a flag, like a flag, like the Windows logo. Yeah, like the Windows logo.
Yeah. Now you have to press that Windows key and hold it down, and with the help of another finger, you have to press the letter R at the same time. Okay?
The letter I.
R is in Roser.
Oh,
Right?
the letter.
Windows key and letter R.
So the letter I and the key.
No. Windows key. Push the Windows key and hold it down, and with the help of another finger, you have to press the letter R at the same time. Okay?
Okay, so the letter, you say the what? The flag and the letter I, right? It's not doing anything.
R. It's R. R is in Roser.
Oh, I. Okay, I got you. So, you said the flag and I. Right?
Not I. It's R. R is a rose.
Oh, Oh, the
Yeah.
letter I. Okay. Yeah, I'm pressing it, but nothing's happening. I think my computer is messed up. Matter of fact, can you come to my location and fix it on this spot? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing.
Please hold. Let me transfer this call to my senior technician. Please hold.
Alrighty.
Okay.
That's more like it, man. I don't think you know.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, hi, sir. This is the senior technician, Stuart Brown. How are you doing?
Hi, is this William?
No, sir. This is Stuart.
Huh? What's your name?
Stuart Brown.
Stuart Tom?
Brown, sir. It's Brown.
I thought you had two first names. Stuart Tom. I apologize.
It's all right. So, are you in front of the computer?
Yeah, I'm in front of a computer. Yeah. But it's really slow.
And what
Can you come
comes-
to my location and fix it for me? Because I don't know computers much.
Sir, for that reason, I called you up, alright? You don't need to get ready for that. I will definitely help you out. Alright, just follow my instructions. I will, fix up your computer, alright? You don't need to get ready for that.
I don't have to
definitely
wait?
help you out. So do one thing. Yeah, just follow my instructions. Sir, on your keyboard, look on the keyboard, on the left-hand side, bottom left corner on your keyboard.
Okay.
You will got to see the control. You will got to see the control key over there, the CTRL key, correct?
Which one?
Control key.
Control. I don't see control key.
All right, okay, no problem. Can you see a key having 4 flags on it?
Yeah. I see the flag key. Yeah.
Okay, then press and hold down that Windows key with your thumb, and along with that, press the letter R, like Roger. All right?
Press the letter I.
No, it's Roger, like
Press the letter Roger.
R, like Roger. So it's R,
I don't have
R, like,
I don't have keys that have words on it. Just letters. They just have letters.
Yes,
You
I'm
calling
telling
you?
that
It's in
later,
you.
sir.
I'm in
It's
USA.
later.
Look,
it's a R.
I'm in
like
the
ready.
USA.
Later.
I'm in the USA.
I know, sir. You are in the USA, and I'm also in USA. All right.
I got them dollars, that green money.
In God we trust.
God love you.
Hello.
Oh man. And he called unknown, so we can't call him back.
Yeah.
Got us.